All right, this is how you can write progressive JSON data fields into the Socrate engine. So these types of variables are basically JSON files with variables and their values. For now, I have a variable named money, and then the value is 0. From my main file, I will try accessing the variable money from the variable.json file. To do this, I can basically just write the name of the file, and then you're going to see the auto detection is going to detect that it's a PGDF, and it's also showing all the variables inside of it. So I can select .money, and if I run, it will show 0, as you can see. Now, let's say I want to show this on the page, okay? So I'll go ahead and write this ID. So document.getElement by ID, like this, and I will go .inner HTML equal variable.money. And right here, what it's going to do is that it's going to show 0, right? That's cool. Now let's say I want to increment this value, change it, or even update it completely. I will basically be able to do this like that. So I'll be able to do variable.money the same way as I would change variable, and let's say plus 1000. Right here, we got 1000. That's pretty cool. You can work with this in multiple ways. It's going to allow you to use variables in a very organized way with JSON files. And let's say I had money and I had placements, okay? I'm going to do this and I'm going to add a array. Or actually, yeah, an array. Placement 1 is going to be, let's say, 25, 12, 2006. And from here, I want to access this right here. So how we're going to do this is I will go ahead and do console.log and then variable.placements. Now it's going to show the array, right? So only one. Now I'm going to add a new placement, okay? So we'll go variable.placements.push, and I will place a new date, let's say today's date. So 12, actually 07, oops, 07/12/2025. And now I'm gonna log this again after the change. So if I preview, you're gonna see I have new elements into my field, right? Now, if I add an object, let's say I add accounts, and I add my name, Shawnee, and inside of this account, I will have money, let's say 1000. So to access this, I would normally do variable, accounts, Shawnee, and money. So let's do that. Now I'm gonna log something else. Accounts dot, I'm not remembering, right? Okay, so Shawnee and then money. Dot Shawnee dot money. Now if I log this, I'm gonna see 1000, right? Now let's say I just want to show the Shawnee element. I'm gonna see money 1000. So that's pretty cool, right? You can do a lot of things with that, and it's very easy to handle these variables since it's being processed right after the page loads, and it's really fast. So that's pretty much how you would work with progressive JSON data fields.